Tutorial: Answer Network. This tutorial reviews the features related to the Answer Network. The Answer Network is measured against the networks created by learners in response to the instructions. The next step is to create the Answer Network. There are two ways to create an Answer Network: manually create a topology or import a topology. How to import a topology for the Answer Network will be covered in the Activity Wizard Advanced tutorial. Click the Answer Network button. To begin creating an Answer Network, select Show Answer Network. The current network being worked on is specified under the wizard hat icon. Devices can now be created and configured for the Answer Network. For this example, the Answer Network has already been built and configured. To return to the Activity Wizard, click the Wizard hat or select the Activity Wizard window. Under the Assessment Tree tab, you can check the items you would like to include in the assessment. Be careful to expand the assessment tree completely so that you are not inadvertently accessing a group of components. The Connectivity Test tab allows you to access the connectivity between two devices. Connectivity tests are based on the user-created PDUs from the scenario 0 in the Answer Network. Note that the ICMP is listed in the user-created PDU area. Select a test condition from the drop-down box. Select Overall Feedback to provide customized feedback that applies to the entire activity. This text field is shown when a user completes the activity successfully. This text field is shown when a user fails to complete the activity correctly. Feedback per assessment item is also possible. To do so, select the Assessment Tree tab. Press Enter to set the feedback message. This feedback message will appear when a user gets this item incorrect. Select the Settings tab to set different timing options for this activity. This activity will use the default time-elapsed timing method. Users can choose to use a countdown timer. When the countdown timer expires, the activity will show the check results page, and the user will not be able to return to the current activity without restarting the activity. The feedback settings will allow you to control the type and level of feedback to the user during an activity usage. Please refer to the help files for exact detail. Selecting the User Profile checkbox will pop up the User Profile dialog to be filled out at the beginning of the activity. The No Guest User will not allow the default value of guest to be accepted. This ends the Answer Network tutorial.